How to use Hobby Lobby gift card. Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure to use Hobby Lobby gift card. The Hobby Lobby gift card can be redeemed both online at hobbylobby.com and at any other brick and mortar retailer stores. If you want to do this online, you could simply use it during a checkout procedure as a payment method or in the payment section where you will be able to get certain amount of discount. All you need is just locate the field of gift card and enter the 16-digit card number, 4-digit PIN, and you could also use up to 5 gift card per online transaction as well. And if your order total exceeds the gift card balance, you could pay the remaining amount using a credit card or other accepted payment method. So this way you'll be able to use or redeem your Hobby Lobby gift card online. If you want to do it in store, simply present your gift card to the cashier at any Hobby Lobby store during a checkout. The cashier will scan the barcode or manually enter the card number to deduct the purchase amount from your balance. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.